My name is Jordan, and welcome to Peel TV. It is apple season, and in effort to help all my pie makers, all my tartan makers, anyone who's in a commercial bakery that is going through tons and tons of apples, my machine's going to help you. Now, we're going to see how quickly I can go through these 10 apples today. Let's do it. We are queued up and ready to go. Let's start peeling. Start the timer. That's one. That's two. That's three. Nope. Hard getting off there. Let's get four on. We're still going. Super easy. Not a single thing to worry about. Except that my glove is slipping off the apple there. Now, a great safety feature I want to show you on the K700. I'm going to put my hand here. It can never bite me because it's always turning towards the operator. Bam. Look at that. There's five. Halfway through. Keep going. There we go. We got 7 coming up. Coming up on 8. Number 9 done. Let's get number 10 on. And time. Now, 10 apples. Look at that. I challenge any baker to do it as fast as that when peeling apples. Ready for a pie, ready to slice up, ready to poach them if you wanted to. We'll see you next time.